In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ActiveCampaign account. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to switch platforms, ActiveCampaign offers a robust suite of tools to help grow your business. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, you'll need to visit the ActiveCampaign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the web address for ActiveCampaign's official site. Once there, look for a button labeled Start Free Trial, Get Started, or a similar sign-up option. Clicking this will begin the journey to creating your account. Next, you'll be required to enter some personal information. Fill out the registration form carefully. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your first name, last name, and email address. If you have a company name, you can enter it as well, although it's optional for some plans. Occasionally, they might ask for a phone number, so have that on hand just in case. Using a business email address, if you have one, can significantly enhance your account management and improve email deliverability. Now it's time to create your login credentials. Choose a password that's both strong and memorable for maximum security. If prompted, you'll need to confirm your password by entering it again. Once you've done this, you can continue to the next step. The platform will then ask for some details about your business, which helps them customize your onboarding experience. This includes the type of business you have, the industry you operate in, your company size, and your marketing goals. Filling this out accurately will ensure you receive tips and tools specific to your business needs. After entering your business details, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. ActiveCampaign provides a range of options, including trial accounts and various subscription plans. There are usually monthly and annual options available, each offering a different set of features. Take a moment to review these and select the one that aligns best with your business goals and budget. Before moving forward, you'll need to verify your email address. Go ahead and check your inbox for an email from ActiveCampaign. This email contains a verification link that you must click to activate your account and confirm ownership of your email address. Once your email is verified, you're in. Log in, and you'll typically be guided through some initial setup tasks. These often include creating your first contact list, importing any existing contacts, setting up your sender information, and adding your business address. You might also be prompted to create your first email campaign. Don't worry if it sounds overwhelming. The platform usually has handy guides and tips to help you through each step. Finally, configure your sending information to ensure your emails reach their intended destinations without a hitch. Spend a little extra time here to make sure everything is set up correctly, and you'll be ready to send powerful campaigns in no time. And there you have it. With your ActiveCampaign account set up, you're ready to explore all the features this powerful platform has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy email marketing.